Hi guys, my name is Manju and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. The world's best actually. First you take a piece of paper which is 1 1/5 that equal inches, and so yeah, you're going to need this much. When you fold it like this. You can use any type of paper. Then you do this. Then you fold this part on the top. And what you're going to do is fold it like this. And you fold the wings. And done. Here's the world's most simplest paper airplane in the world, guys. And it actually flies very well, guys. Let me show you. See, it flew very far. So bye guys, have a nice day. Bye.